Hello everyone, welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hi Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. Just okay.
Okay, it's working now.
Okay, you can see it now. Okay, guys. So we will start with the Dow. The Dow, I'm staying away from it over here, guys. To take it as a trend, I need a break of this area over here, like over this area. Let me put it. Okay, breaking this area, but I'm gonna be skeptic about it to be taking it as scalp. Okay, if it broke here on the daily, it have big target 200 to this candle 170 pips. Okay, so the break of this area is gonna be like we're taking it and leaving runners because we might have like a retest on this trend. Okay, to retest this trend and then to go back down. Okay, it is still bullish, but the weekly, if it broke this area here, that's gonna be like bearish. Okay, so I'm still waiting for this, the same I'm saying in the morning live session about this area and this area. Okay, I'm still waiting for those to be broken to start taking it like safe intraday. Okay, because here this trades when you take it as intradays, it's gonna be like hitting up down. Look at this, guys. Look at those 4 hours. Okay, so that's not tradable. I don't force the trade. I leave it. I'm doing well. Like we're doing gold, we're making money, so don't need to force a trade. Scalping, it can be a lot of catches as scalp, but I don't recommend. If you did like on the fourth, like 30 scalp like with us on US Open. So when you do scalps, don't continue with the market as scalps. Okay, do at this time as scalp, and can always put plan at the times for you guys. Okay, so this is it for the Dow. I'm still waiting this break and this script break over here, but I will be waiting now if we broke this, if it have like confirmation breaking this area and this area as intraday over here. We can take it as if we had good volume. Okay, we'll put it 4 hours. Okay, we can start before this swing one. Okay, we can start with this like over here, but we will be checking this area. Okay, so this is it for the Dow. I will go for the gold. Gold, look, as we said, guys, that's what I love. The retracement, you take your trade. The retracement, you take your trade. So that was great over here. Okay, so what I'm expecting buys, for sure it might even go up, but I'm not now taking any buys over here like this. Okay, I'm gonna wait like we go to the 4 hour, look at the 4 hours. Okay, the gold, it fundamentally, it can keep pushing all the way up, but over here, what like I'm aiming for? Okay, that's a new highs and like pushing all one way. So what I need a good retracement to be broke, like to be retesting. Okay, and then a push going up, we go for it. Okay, so about this, I'm not into sales, honestly. Nothing to take into, even if it goes from here to here, like I'm not too much with this, with the sales. Okay, it's still pushing bullish, but I prefer to go with it as bullish trend. And when it goes down, retrace like those, look, push, retracement, and the push, I need the retracement, then breaking, that's gonna be more safe for me to take it. Okay, but there's nothing over here, so we're reaching new highs. It will like go up, retrace, go up, retrace new highs, then go down, and we will see. Look at this. Okay, that's a new high. It's like it pushed new high, then one way down, then pushed like look new highs, and then look at this huge push. That's liquidity for people taking on the highs. If you took it from this area, that's amazing. Okay, so this area is amazing. This area is look, push up retracement. Normal, guys. Follow the market. But here I don't take. Okay, I will wait, guys, for the retracement. So this is it for the gold. I will put the euro. Okay, euro on the daily, we pushed. We had like a big push. That's a great push for the euro, reaching this trend line, the monthly trend line. So for now, it pushed too much down, and we will see a push up, a retracement to continue with it as a bearish move. Okay, put the weekly. Look at the weekly. Look, what a push, guys. But just technical. It hit this trend line. It made a double top and then pushed all the way down. That's amazing. So for now, I will wait a retracement to take it as intraday. You can take intradays for the euro, but I don't love to take intradays. Okay, so I will wait as a daily, like a retracement and then a reversal pushing back down. I go like with this side. Okay, you put your Fibonacci from like this, the last push. Okay, and then you put it from this one. Just mark the zones. Okay, that's the big push. That's you're taking it as weak. Sorry. Okay. So we might have a retracement even to push still, even to reach even this area again. We'll see how it's gonna be pushing. Okay, look at the weekly. What a bearish push. So for the sell, I'm gonna be waiting to see a good retracement, or this candle, if it closed bullish, and this is like tomorrow it opened wick up and wick down, this one daily, like opened wick down and then pushing up. You know, you can take it as intraday, but I don't love to take against the trend, especially like the euro so slow. Okay, so we will see if it pushed up and then retraced again, pushing down, we go for it. If not, if it goes up and then you saw a small consolidation and then breaking back up, that's gonna be again a strong buy to take it. You can take it as intraday this buy, but over here I don't like, nothing shows me. Okay, you can take it breaking this area, but be more on the safe side and wait for it. Okay, and this sell is great. If now like it retrace and then pushing back down, we will see the push. If we catch it from the high, it's amazing. If not, you can go with it from this area. Okay, look at this. That's a strong like area over here, even everywhere. Here, that's consolidation. Okay, so that's it for the euro. The Bitcoin, guys, look technical. What we talked about. I told you about this break. It hit it, it retraced, then it break. That's a retest. That's an amazing retest. And then it pushed, it took the 3 targets I sent on Discord. So that's the third. It didn't hit it yet, but it was almost like 673,621. It's 73,895. So that's a great push. That's the technical. That's the like how you walk with the market, guys. Look, it hit it the first time. It retraced. Look at this push. Okay, look at this liquidity here, like this one. The people going for sells. It hit this area, so they go for sells all of a sudden without confirmations. Okay, you can't. This as a scalp, it can be taken, but not on Bitcoin. I don't scalp Bitcoin. Okay, and look at this big push. Then you take it again from this. When you see the first one, the second one bullish, the third one opening, you can take it from here again, and that's all the push. Okay, guys. So for now, for the Bitcoin, yeah, if it break this area again, it's gonna continue the push for new highs. If it broke the last high, okay, so it will do a new all-time high. The sells, I'm not like here. Nothing like confirms the sells for me. Okay, so I will wait for it even. Okay, guys. So this is it for me. We go for Joseph.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Bro.
Let's move to GJ. Okay, so on the weekly, we're still having an uptrend with low, higher low, and here higher low. But this week it opened with a gap. Tried to close, but still we have almost 50 pips not closing here. So it might retrace a little before continuing the Elliott wave, the wave 3 we are waiting for. And also the indicators, the Williams percentage are broke the overbought area. and the CCI almost near to broke. So we might see a small retracement. Here on the daily today, it opened, make a same high almost, and it might close, if it closed like this, might be tomorrow a good opportunity for a sell to retrace to this trend line and to close the gap if it broke again tomorrow, open, make a wick up and broke the low of today candle. So we will see, but we're still with the kind of small, low volume, not a great volume today, and last 2-3 days. On the 4 hours also, we can see here kind of double top forming. And if it broke, this support here and support, and here is make it a support, and it was here a resistance. It will be a good opportunity for the sell to close the gap, and as we said, to retrace the daily trend line. On the 1 hour, okay, we take a sell from here every time it go down, trying to close the gap and hit a support area and retrace up. And here going down, hit the same area and going up again. Even here today, it opened, making a small wick up and going down. We took the sell from this area with a clean traffic here. It reached almost the same support and going back up. It wouldn't break this support area over here. But also we are here in a consolidation, so to take a buy, better broke again on this high to confirm our buy. But mainly we'll see tomorrow a sell if it open, make a wick up and bury rake this area, because many time here trying to break it and retrace. So if tomorrow breaks this area, it might be a good opportunity for the sell. We'll see it tomorrow if how the volume will be. Especially we are in the tomorrow, it will be the last day of the month. So we will see the volume how it will be. So that's it for me.
Okay, Joseph, thank you. Let me share for the GU. Okay, so today, to be honest, we had a big bearish candle happening on the 4 hours. It went all the way down. So, and also when it went up, I wasn't comfortable to take the buy. That's why I didn't here. That was my entry, 30.25. Okay. So today the market was not comfortable. And I know mainly when we have a statement on the GBP USD, either like what happened today. Let me check the news. Second. Here. Okay, so we had here this statement today in the afternoon on Dubai time. GBP autumn something statement, forecast statement. So when we have a statement, the market will not be stable. Also, we had the high impact news on the US dollar. So they all affected the movement. It went down, then it went up. Even if it went up, it broke the entry, but I didn't enter because I know like it was a reaction of the movement that happened. And then it's stable here. Tomorrow, okay, so tomorrow I will wait for the candle making a wick down. Once it breaks here the resistance, it will be a good buy opportunity. Let's check the news for tomorrow. Also, tomorrow is the end of the month. We have high impact news on the GBP, on the JPY. Okay, so on the US dollar also. Yes, tomorrow also we need to be careful. We should not increase the lot size, so we have to work on 0.5%. But I need to wait for the close of this candle. Making a wick down, going up will be my buy opportunity. As for the sell, I prefer to stay away from this area this reversal area. You can see my screen, right? Okay, because I don't know why it didn't show that it was sharing. So mainly breaking here, this support will be the sell. If we see we are still respecting the Elliott waves for now, we still have the three corrective waves. So hopefully we will do the correction. If we check also here the Fibonacci, and now for the people who are beginners, I will explain a little bit the difference between Fibonacci retracement and extension. So stay with us till the end of the session. Also, I will like show how we take the trade, and for people who are joining us new, I will help you to I will explain how the process happens when a person is taking the trade, putting the alert, checking the alpha trader, and also like how to take the trade. So mainly for the Fibonacci, if we see the retracement of all this move down, okay, will start happening. So here, if we check the numbers in percentage, the 23.6%, we are on the edge of breaking here. So making a wick down and going up will be a beautiful buy because we are retracing. يعني عم نرد من النزلة، عم نرد شوي من النزلة بطلوع, because every time the market will goes down, it has to retrace up. So here, according to Fibonacci, it will help you understand, maybe it will retrace 50% of all this move up. So it will form here the wave, if you see here, wave B of Elliott wave, the blue one. Okay, and maybe it will retrace around 38.2%. So I have to expect that the buy will happen, especially that I have the CCI William percentage R indicators crossing here the horizontal line and moving up. So mainly the 90%, because there's no 100%, the move, the buy movement will start like happening. Okay, so it's only a matter of time and volume. Okay, so we move to Lydia.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Lama. Okay, so regarding silver, as you can see, this is the weekly time frame. Last week, it just like closed as a reversal, and this week it opened, made a wick up, and like somehow pushing down, but it's a bullish candle, this one. I'll go down for the daily, as you can see here. So like this is the highest level it has reached, and then it was moving down, and then it went up. I'll show you my setup. Okay, so I'll make it bigger for you guys so that you can see more clear. Okay, so I'm on an Elliott wave, and this was wave 5. And then this retracement is wave A. As you can also, like I will show you usually, the retracement from 4 until 5. Usually A stands on 0.382 for silver, and then it retraces up. How did I know that it will be this B, this wave, like standing here or closing here for the wave B? Whenever I saw this push down, I took Fibonacci from this part until the end of wave A to see how much this move down it will retrace up. So it retraced exactly from the sniper zone, and then it went all the way down. As for my trade, I'll show you on the 4 hours. I executed this one today. I always make sure to trade on New York session, not on London session. So this was supposed to be taken as a sniper, but like I wasn't aware of the market by the time it just made all of this. So I waited until it did these moves, and I went down to 1 hour time frame and waited a retest. I knew like this is gonna be going down. Okay, so I waited a little retest, and news pushed it all the way down until TP4 today. And now, if you can like notice something, if I want to measure all this move, the down move, It just hit the golden area, which is 0.5, and it retraced from it. Mainly, this is gonna be wave B is done, and this is gonna be wave C for the Elliott wave that is mainly on the higher time frames. So this is wave A going down, B, and this is gonna be C, like reaching this area. So mainly, as for a new trade, I'm gonna wait this daily candle for today to see where it will it be closing, and depending on tomorrow's candle, which mainly it has to like open, make a wick up, and then start pushing down to take another sell. It might be going up now for like a little retracement, and then we'll see how the market will be moving, but mainly I'm more for sells now than for buys. And this is all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Lydia. Okay, so now who has any question? It will be for your questions.